To begin, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. Tap on Create Story to start creating your story. You can capture a new photo or video using your camera, or select one from your gallery. Now tap the sticker icon, the smiley face, from the options on the right. A menu with various stickers will appear. Select the poll sticker. Enter the question you would like to ask your audience. Then customize the answer options, for example, yes and no. When you are finished, tap Done to save your poll. You can now resize the sticker using 2 fingers. Then drag it to position it anywhere on the screen. You can also add text, music, and other elements as you normally would, and adjust your story's privacy settings if needed. Finally, tap Share Now to publish your story. Your story will be published and visible to your audience for 24 hours. Your Messenger contacts can view and vote on the poll through your Facebook story. So that's how you can create and share a poll on your story on Facebook Messenger.